Hello everyone. I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is the direction I'm going now. And I wanted to thank Becca Mosley for taking over while I'm recuperating on the Facebook groups. I just wanted to update you a little bit on what's going on with me. I had a doctor's appointment and I was diagnosed with stage 1 of COPD. So I'm on an inhaler, and then I have to go back for another CT scan. They found some nodules in my lungs, but they don't think it's cancerous. And I'm doing great. I had well, not great. I mean, I had a pulmonary breathing test, and they give you this medication in this inhaler tube, and you have to put that in your lungs, and things improved by 22% after that. And I have been doing well since then. So I will keep you updated as far as things go. I do get tired a lot. I've been doing a lot of crafts. So if you know anyone that has type 2, please suggest my YouTube channel. I have been going more into videos instead of posting long information in the Facebook group. So I'm hoping you enjoy my videos and you find them useful. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.